case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The United States Court of Appeals for the Seventh Circuit in 2001 presided over a noteworthy legal case involving funeral business owner Richard Abrams and Unity Mutual Life Insurance. The case, centered on the contention that an unwritten agreement was unenforceable according to New York law, showcased the importance of written contracts. At the core of the disagreement was Mr. Abrams's assertion that he had an oral agreement with Unity, which entitled him to commission payments for selling pre-need insurance products. However, the relationship soured, leading to his termination in 1997. A disgruntled Abrams then launched a suit against Unity for unpaid commissions, citing the terms of the supposed oral agreement. Despite his fervor, the lower court found his case lacking. They rightfully deemed the alleged oral agreement non-compliant with New York's Statute of Frauds and tossed out Abrams' claims of unjust enrichment and promissory estoppel. Unfazed, Abrams took his case to the higher court by appealing the dismissal of his claim of unjust enrichment. The trial revealed a pattern. While Abrams and Unity had engaged in talks concerning their joint venture, no tangible agreement had been implemented. Furthermore, Abrams had continued providing services for Unity based on nothing more than a verbal promise. A promise that lacked legal backing after sales failed to meet expected quotas. In a decision that upheld the stance of the lower court, the Court of Appeals found Abrams's claim of unjust enrichment built on shaky grounds. Relying on an unenforceable oral agreement, his claim was deemed invalid. The court made it clear that any claim drawing upon an illegal oral agreement would be frowned upon. Thus, Abrams's attempt to circumvent New York's Statute of Frauds fell short on all accounts and was categorically denied.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class